Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We stayed here last night, the Kedas homestay. Now we're going to go and jump on the ferry to Java. Yeehaw! The ferry goes every hour. There's an expensive one that takes an hour to get there, but the slow boat takes about 3 hours. You know me guys, I'd rather take the slow boat. So that's what we're going to do. And because my bike's over 500 cc's, the price is about double, but it's still only about $15 for the ferry. So let's go and catch it anyway. Get to Java. Woohoo! And away we go guys. We're only about 10 minutes from the ferry here, so nice easy ride. Just got to work out where to buy tickets. There's heaps of ticket shops right, there's 3 right next to the hotel here. We'll go past them in a second. But the hotel said not to. They said to get them closer to the things. That's a ticket shop. That's a ticket shop. There's another one just here, another ticket shop, but we'll get closer to the ferry. Whoop. Guys, look at this. That's what I'll be sailing out of in an hour or so. Just gorgeous. It looks like there's a boat leaving now, so that means the next one's in an hour. And if that's an oh guys, gorgeous. If that's an executive one, the 1 hour boat that's in an hour, it'll be 2 hours because I'm going to go on the standard. Sitting in air conditioning in like a bus. I'd rather be sitting on the deck. Oh, look at this guy. I hope I've got audio, and I really hope this is doing justice, because that is just gorgeous. So guys, when you enter the ferry port, just talk to the guys that are here. They'll organise your ticket. It cost me 135 rupiah, which is about 13.50 Australian, maybe 80 or 90, 8 or 9 US, sorry. And they take a photo of a QR code, and then you go to the ticket office and they'll scan the QR code. Well guys, just at the gate. Nothing ever happens easily, but that's all right. They're just sorting it out. They've scanned my QR code, so there's not a problem there. They're just working out whether to let me through or not. And we're through. That was easy. But shipping in Indonesia has always been easy. I'm happy. Oh, look, there goes one boat. So we've just missed one. So we may have to wait for 1 hour, I think, for the next. And we're on board. For once, I remembered to turn the camera on when we were boarding. Okay. Well, they want us to go sideways. Oh, fuck. Some movement. Sure, yes, we are moving. Java, here we come. Guys, look at this. Unbelievable. I love travelling on boats, ferries, and there'll be a lot of this in Indonesia. At least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 more at least. I'm excited. Excited. Yeehaw. You can see there, leaving the port. Hello. I don't know what you're talking about. Someone's trying to get money off me. I don't know. I don't know. I think 3 hours. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll find out when we get there, I guess. My hotel was just up there somewhere last night. Amazing guys. I love boat travel. I really do. And here we are. Java. I think we're going to book. What's the word? Dock. That's the word I'm thinking. I think we're going to dock over there. And then I've had my first step onto Java. This is the first time I've seen it, except from an aeroplane. I've crossed over it many times on aeroplane. This is the first time from ground level. Exciting. Very exciting. Well, I thought it was loaded quick before we left, because this whole ferry, 4 cars and a few motorbikes, unless there's another level down here with all the trucks where guys seem to be going. Yeah, it must be. Oh yeah, all the trucks are at this level, that's why. So that was a big cruise for a few of us. And Java, here we go guys. And here we are guys. In any second will be our first time on Javanese soil guys. We've done it. And I know there is a Javanese language, but whether that's the main language here or not, we're going to find out. I've actually put Javanese into Google Translate, but I'll probably get told later on that put Indonesian in there, but we'll find out guys. We're only maybe 2 hours, hour and a half, 2 hours away from Jakarta, or maybe 2 I think, but it's considered the worst traffic in the world, so I'm going to try and avoid Jakarta, head south towards Bandung. Anyway, try and avoid Jakarta completely, because it might take us a couple of days to get from one side to the other. I'm on a toll road, and I'm pretty sure motorbikes aren't allowed on toll roads, and I haven't seen another bike since I got on here, so I think I might be a bit naughty, but it's only another 40 minutes to my hotel. So let's hope we don't get arrested. Well, I jinxed myself, because about 2 seconds after I said that, these guys pulled me over. Well, after a lot of annoying conversation going nowhere, it turns out I was right. I can't go on toll roads. So now I'm trying to find a way that's not on a toll road. Now I'm a little upset I couldn't go on that tollway, because we've been off it for 5 minutes. It's been like this the whole way. We're not even anywhere near Jakarta, but I was ready for this guys. I knew this was happening. Jakarta is known as the worst traffic in the world, and to be worse than Dhaka. Guys, I'm in for some fun this next couple of days, but we've got about half a Google Maps hour left to my hotel. I got sent this way to avoid that horrible traffic. That was insane guys, but I've got to stop saying insane. That's been, I noticed when I was editing the last video, I've been saying that a lot. So, but it was crazy, that traffic, but the man sent me this way, and quite a few people are going this way. That truck there in front of us, the ute, that was just selfish of him coming up here, because he stopped everyone. This is pretty cool really. All the everyone seems to be turning right up here, but according to Google Maps there's just as much traffic on that main road up here. So yeah, I don't know, but I'll follow everyone else I guess. They're the locals, they should know what they're doing. I don't know if I've mentioned this to you guys before, but in a week from today, 8 days, a week anyway, on the 14th there's an election, presidential election, and the Australian government, Janet's a bit worried about me, because the Australian government has put out a do not only be here when necessary sort of alert, 1 below do not travel. And so I promised her that I'm going to race across Java, unfortunately, and get to Bali, so because I figure Bali will be the more safer place to be than. And on the day, I'll get a nice hotel for a few days over the election, and just gauge what's happening then. But it should be all right. It's not like Indonesia years ago. the red flags on Google Maps. So we're nearly there, guys, and that was a fairly easy day. I didn't ride much, but oh, I've got a week of this. I think this is my hotel right here, this building here. It does look like it. Now where's the entrance? Right here, I think. Hotel's nice and comfy, the Lynn Hotel. It was about 20 US for the night. And I noticed this street. Let's see if we can't find a bag, because I'm sick of having to put those clips on this every time I take something out. It's becoming very annoying. Well, I found this. I don't really like the colour, but I'm terrible at change, guys, as you've probably realised. Oh, there's an Alphamart here, Indomart. Let's go across there, grab some, grab a drink, and we'll head back to the hotel and be lazy. Morning. Just having my breakfast, chicken and rice. This is my hotel, the Lynn Hotel. It's pretty nice. I think I mentioned before it was about 22 US a night. Look, I didn't notice this before. Look at this beautiful old building here. It's gorgeous. And I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.